With us, with more people moving to our area, more housing is needed, but we all know about the supply chain issues that can bring construction to a grinding halt. Wink News reporter Rachel Cox-Rosen is live in Naples Park. Rachel, what's being done to try to get around these supply chain issues?
Well, one technology company I spoke today is using a material that has seen no supply chain issues at all. Take a look at this home that they built here in Naples Park. The company, Northstar, says using the material it uses also requires fewer workers, meaning houses go up faster. You might not do a double take when you see this Naples Park home. It looks like a lot of new builds in Collier County, modern, sleek, but what do you think it's made of? I'll give you a hint. That's not wood, steel, or concrete.
It's called the fiber reinforced polymer.
Technically, it's a type of plastic, but Bonita-based manufacturing and building company Northstar Technologies says it's a lot more than that.
Termite, mold, rust, corrosion resistant. We have an impact rating for 250 mile-per-hour winds, and our quarter-inch ballistic panel can withstand a 9mm to a 45 caliber round from 5 yards away.
Plus, there's no waste involved. See, no dumpster on this construction site, and it doesn't take a lot of people to make. That's huge right now as the building industry, like so many others, is hit hard by the labor shortage.
I don't think this is the time to be building a house in a good amount of time.
Local builder Ryan Benson says he's excited by any new material that can alleviate the effects of the labor shortage.
Now, the major constraint to us locally is labor and staffing, and being able to get workforce to be able to arrive and complete the houses in a timely manner.
Northstar says their homes only take 6 to 8 months, an attractive option for families waiting for that perfect home that's still so tough to find. Anyone who wants to own a home like this will pay a similar price to other more traditional builds, but Northstar says you'll save a lot of money on maintenance. And new at 5, I'll tell you how Northstar thinks it can really help with the affordable housing crisis here in Collier County and what's standing in their way. Live in Naples Park, Rachel Cox-Rosen, Wink News.
All right, thank you very much. Well, rent just keeps going up, but relief for lower-income families is coming thanks to a $1 million donation. The Immokalee Fair Housing Alliance got the money from the Novo Foundation. They bought 10 acres of property on Lake Trafford Road, and construction has started on the 128 rental units, and it is expected to be done in 2023. Rent will not be more than 30% of a family's income.